Very good evening, all. I'm again Renu Vadhvan here with the new topic again, synonyms and antonyms. So that obviously they are coming in your exams. So I thought this time to take care of these things only. So before starting with the antonym and synonyms, what I will do, I'll just give you some tips of learning them, showing you them how to learn them up. Then with the examples only, I'm coming up with you with examples. So now here, what are the synonyms and antonyms? Synonyms, the word similar, antonym means opposite. And I'm dead sure that you all have done already before if we talk about whether you were in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, all these classes. And now also we use, right? That is. So, like if I talk about the abundant, plentiful, ample is the synonym, similar. Antonym, scarce, sparse, appeal, attract, interest. Antonym, bore, elaborate, detailed, simple, plain, optimistic, bright, positive thought, promising, pessimistic, boisterous, lively, enthusiastic, exuberant, whereas antonyms are quiet, restrained. So you can see ample of words. But how to prepare them? This is a big. So many words are there, numerous, unlimited are there. Yes, I do agree, unlimited. But yes, I'm not telling you to learn all. What we can do, we can learn some at least, right? I'm giving you a few tips. Please work on that if you want to excel in your JLO exam. First, at least 10 words. Any new English words you write every day. From where you have to write? Okay. It's not that you have to go for English book. Whichever thing you like to read. Whether it is concerned to exam or newspaper or novel or stories, anything. Or maybe when you're looking at the TV, watching some movie, write down any 10 words which you found difficult or something new. Simply check the Google uncle. Fine. Google Maharaj ki chair. Or dictionary or your mobile. Check their meanings, their synonyms and their antonym. Simple. Just note them down. Initially it may take 30 minutes. But daily what will happen when you are making a note of these words and writing their meaning synonym and reading them, so then it hardly come to 10 minutes then. And obviously when you'll be writing them, you are looking yourself, you'll be in the habit. So it will enhance your vocabulary as well as your communication skills. Reason? Because when you are learning, trying to learn 10 words, at least 2, 3, 4, you'll be able to learn, not all the 100%. And when you're using them regularly in daily English speaking, so what will happen? It will enhance your personality also. So make shortcuts and tricks to make learning words easy. And then try to use them daily and it will enhance your personality. No need to go for personality grooming or others. Fine, enough. And also try to solve as many as daily English quiz score marks easily in the exam. And best part is that this is techno-savvy word. So one positive aspect in this techno-savvy word is that online tests. No need to write anything and all. Check for the online sites. Like Exam Veda is also there. Or many are there when you check first in an online test. Open the Google check and within a minute only you're getting answers side by side. And this is the best way to enhance your vocabulary, to excel in your work. So you must examine each option carefully before choosing the correct one during the exam. How come I'm bringing you there only? How we are going to examine ourselves. If we are not aware about the words, then it's really a difficult task, isn't it? It is. Undoubtedly, it is a difficult task when we have not prepared actually. For that, we need to prepare well. That is must be tough. All have to do it. Fine. So how to examine? For example, the word is glory here. You can see the word glory. Fine. Or let us come to another word. The word is adversity, and we have few options here. Like adversity, we have prosperity, curiosity, animosity, sincerity. Now I have to choose correct word. So if I'm not aware of the actual meaning of sincerity, animosity, curiosity, prosperity, how I will be able to do it correctly? Definitely I won't be able. So for that, what I have to do? I have to know the meaning of this. Fine. So initially it will take time, as I told you, but slowly it will be there. For example, now let us come. It is the option D, prosperity. But how come I know this is the option D? Now let's come. Adversity means a difficult or unpleasant situation. Now we have to find the antonym of adversity. So sincerity means the absence of pretense, deceit, or hypocrisy. Fine. But animosity means hatred, strong hostility. So it can't be the answer. Curiosity, a strong desire to know or learn something. Then also it can't be the answer. Prosperity, a comfort and well-being. Yes, this is the correct answer because a difficult or unpleasant situation. Fine. And comfort and well-being. So they are totally different, opposite. So antonym of adversity is prosperity. This way you have to juggle up yourself. And now here, if I talk about given these concentrate, we have no alternative but to suggest an improvised solution. So I have to know the antonym of improvised. This way it will come in your exam. So an improvised. So an improvised, we have to get the meaning, not meaning. We have to get the antonym. But yes, we have to know the meaning of that. Then only we'll be able to tell. Option is first, A complete. Then we come to a pre-planned. Okay. Then we see a permanent. And then we come to a proscribed. Now, do you know the meaning of these words? A complete. Yes, everybody knows the complete, the work which is already. But before that, we must know the word of improvised. Improvised means created and performed spontaneously or without preparation. Keep this word meaning in your mind before going to this. Complete means having all the necessary or appropriate parts. Pre-plan means plan in advance. Permanent, which is fixed up, lasting or intended to last or remain unchanged indefinitely. So if I talk about improvise in having all necessaries, but can't be the thing. Pre-planned can be there. Let's see, one is left. Proscribed, that is banned, disallowed, that is also not there. So pre-planned. Improvises created and performed spontaneous without preparations. Fine, that is without preparations, whereas pre-planned means we have prepared well beforehand. I hope you are understanding this, that how we have to choose this correct option. Fine. I hope you are understanding all. So let us see what is the next sentence in my pitara. The chairman initiated the proceedings with a brief speech. So here we want to know the antonym of initiated. So let's find from where I have to choose. Confused. Do you think confused is the right answer? Initiated. Closed. Closed is the right answer. I'm doubtful. Started. Is it? Checking the meaning. Same way complicated. Can it be the meaning? That is antonym of this. Let's see. That is closed. Why closed? Can you tell me this? Okay, I tell you. Basically, initiate means starting or cause to begin any process or action. Confused means in a dilemma. Like think clearly, not clarity. No clarity is over there. Closed means cause to end. And started means to begin. And complicated is tough, consisting of many interconnecting parts or elements. So initiated means cause to begin, closed is cause to end. So what is the perfect answer? That is option B. Closed. Initiated, cause to begin, close, cause to end. Yes, this way it is the answer is there. Then let's come to another one more. Those whose views are progressive often meet with formidable impediments when they begin to act. So here we have to find the antonym of progressive. Okay, let us think firstly the meanings. Do you think progressive means revolutionary? Don't know. Or retrograde? Okay. Let's see. Can it be brave? Progressive brave? Or outmoded? Now here, see, those whose views are progressive often meet with formidable impediments when they begin to act. Basically, the answer is retrograde. Why we have said the answer is retrograde? Because we have to write the antonym over here, means opposite of that word. Progressive means increasing, growing. If we come to revolutionary, basically it is involving or causing a complete or dramatic change. Again, something added. Then if we talk about retrograde, that is directed or moving backwards. Increasing, growing, backwards. Just yourself you watch. And brave is what? Ready to face and endure danger or pain. Again, moving ahead, showing courage. And if we talk about outmoded, that is old-fashioned. So it is not old-fashioned, only it is moving backwards. So I hope, my lovely kids, you understood that. Before ending of this, I just want to say few more words once again, that what should be the takeaways from that. Takeaways from synonym or antonyms. First thing, like if we talk about synonym and antonym, as I said, they not only enhance your vocabulary, your pronunciation, but they have a great role in what? In your enhanced personality development. You know, for personality grooming, development, people spend lot of money, actually too much. But it is with you only. Main thing that what you have to do is you have to just practice a lot. Main thing is that for JLO exam, we have to very sincere. We have to work hard actually. Although we think daily that I'll be working hard, but normally what happens when the time comes, we become some lethargic actually. Little lethargic we become. So as a result, what happens? We are unable. So what should we do? We must not be lethargic. We must be active. We must read. You can see here the list of so many words I have written. I have made this list to enhance so that I could know more and more. And yes, I am also, I agree with you that I don't remember all the words, but at least I am trying. I have remembered, if not also at least 10, 20, I know. And these 10, 20 help me out to know more and more. And I enjoy it. Whenever I get free time or just alone even. So I take the book. In fact, I love to learn this word vocabulary. Not only synonym and antonyms. In fact, idiom phrases I love. One word substitution. And then I try in my talks. This is not an easy task as actually. I do agree. So here I just again I talk about some takeaways I was saying, which I am coming. So obviously main thing is we have to learn continuously. They are very crucial in JLO preparation, especially in the verbal ability section. We know we have to have a strong grip on them. And when we do have that grip, that grasp of synonyms, it helps us to understand the meanings, different meanings of the word, and choose the most appropriate option in MCQs as well. MCQ means multiple choice questions. So what happens? Familiarity with a wide range of synonyms and antonyms, it enhances our communication skills and also aids, means helps in the precise expression of ideas. Limited one, we need to tell that. Fine. And also it is that strategic, wise use of synonyms and antonyms, they add depth and clarity to the written and verbal communication, which is very important part, like part and parcel of our life. Please remember, I again repeat, please remember to contextualize the synonyms and antonyms within the specific legal context of the JLO exam. So continuous learning and expanding your vocabulary, it will be benefiting you in JLO, not only JLO, in fact, in every sphere of life. So here I end with this video, audio, and please feel free to tell me the thanks options. Thank you guys. Good night, sweet dreams. Till the next